Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to create ebooks in Designer. First, sign up and access Designer. Create an account if you don't have one and log in once registered. Next is, start a new project. Initiate ebook creation. On the dashboard, click on Create ebook to begin a new project. Next, import your content. Designer offers multiple options to import content. Enter the URL of your blog post or web page. Designer will fetch and import the content automatically. Next is from a Google Doc. Ensure your Google Doc is shareable, then paste the URL into Designer. If you're using Word document, upload your .doc or .docs file directly. And if from other sources, Designer also supports import from PDFs, Facebook pages, YouTube videos, and more. Next, choose a template. Browse through Designer's extensive library of templates and select one that aligns with your ebook's theme and audience. Next is customize your ebook. Modify text, adjust formatting, and ensure the content flows seamlessly. Add images. Incorporate visuals by uploading your own images or selecting from Designer's integrated library. Next, customize headers, footers, fonts, and colors to match your brand or personal preference. Step 6. Generate the table of contents. Designer can automatically create a table of contents based on your headings, complete with page numbers. Lastly, finalize and export. Preview your ebook to ensure all elements are in place and appear as desired. Once satisfied, export your ebook in your preferred format such as PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. And that's basically it.